Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1979 Dodge Adventure 150 Lil Red Express pickup. This Lil Red Express pickup is a one-owner truck. We bought it from the original owner. It is an absolute time capsule. It has only 5,600 original miles. That's right, 5,600 original miles on this truck. This truck is in highly original condition. It was stored in a climate-controlled building. The people bought the truck and just kept it in captivity. It even smells brand new still inside. I know you're gonna think that's crazy from a 1979, but it really does. This is one gorgeous truck. It is probably one of the lowest mileage examples left in the country. I've seen a couple of them that sold with 3,500 miles and maybe one with 4,200 miles. But this one has to be one of the lowest mileage ones known to exist. Factory bed cover, all the factory wood. Here's some original paperwork when the truck was sold new at Head Sales and Service in Lawrenceville, New York. Original owner's manual, original warranty card, original sales agreement, vehicle invoice. There's a lot more paperwork in this file here too. That shows when this truck was, it had factory, or it had Z-Bart rust proof done to it. There's a receipt in there for that. Just a lot of neat, real neat paperwork. I'm gonna set you down for a second. We'll put this paperwork back in here so we don't get lost. There you go. Some extra fuses, some stuff there in the glove box. Glove box light works. Just a gorgeous truck. Check out the seat. That's when somebody says, "Oh, that's not actual miles." Well, get in it and look at the interior. You know, some people are gonna give you a ration of crap. Around 5,000 of these trucks were made in 79. I think there was like 2,900, 2,800 of them maybe made in 78. And the popularity of these trucks was so great that they decided to extend the run till 79. The 78s had round headlights. In 79, they switched to the more square grille and 4 headlights. 5,669 miles. You can see how crystal clear the dash is. Does have a little GPS, Garmin GPS added. That can come off if you so choose to. What a beautiful little truck. Look at them turn signals. And that dash, how crystal clear that is. That's pretty cool. Radio works, horn. Pretty cool.
too many people can say they own a 79 Lil Red Express truck that was a one owner with 5,000 miles on it. They did have factory headers on them back in 79. Like I say, this is a real time capsule truck. .360 Express. I thought about putting this truck on Bring a Trailer, but I think we'll just leave it here in our showroom and sell it here. No sense anybody paying any more fees than they have to. I'll put the dim headlights on and check the other blinker quick, and then we'll take it for, I'm not going to take it for a long ride, but I'll take it for a mile or two down the road. I don't want to put any more miles on than I have to. The next person, if they want to put some miles on it, they're more than welcome to. Tail lights, turn signals, license plate lights, they all work. As far as the original owner told me, all original paint on the truck, all original decals. Just an awesome little truck. Heater works very well. It's already warm in here. Temp gauge is just starting to come up. Gas gauge is a little over half. Voltage gauge works just like it's supposed to. Oil pressure about, what, 65, 70 pounds. What a tight truck. Saturday morning, I got up, couldn't sleep, so I said I'm going to come in here and do some pictures and videos this morning. And I'm not so sure that this truck isn't sitting on the original tires. I know you guys are going to say, well, it's not safe to drive with the original tires, which I agree. If you're going to drive this truck, you probably want to put a new set of tires on it, but maybe you want to keep these as the original tires. I'm pretty sure they are. I haven't checked the date code on them, but I'm pretty sure they are. The truck drives amazing, runs amazing. You can hear how quiet it is inside here. Like I say, there's definitely a difference when you open and shut the doors on a 5,600 mile truck versus a 156,000 mile truck. There's definitely a difference. Brakes work well. Power steering and power brakes. Does have factory disc brakes on the front. Nice fall day here in Iowa. Was a little bit breezy this morning, but once the sun started to come up a little bit, it's getting a little bit nicer. truck. That's what the tough coat Dynol, that's what they use for the undercoating on this truck. Truck's all original underneath. If you wanted to make it look even better, if you wanted it to be like it rolled off the showroom floor, I contemplated taking it and having it dry iced, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. Like I say, it's a 5,600 mile truck, and she'll even squeal the tires. It's just amazing how crystal clear the gauges are. I mean, I know it's a low mileage truck, it's just so awesome to drive. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563, spitting a little bit of rain, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory, specialty vehicles, pickups, anything that's cool, we'll buy and sell it. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Spend some time with your family and friends, and we'll see you on Monday. Talk to you guys soon.